Let's try to solve this question. Look at this question number 1. This is a question on does not belong to the following series. So he's asking us which is the wrong number. What is he asking us? Wrong number. Come on, tell me the differences between these numbers. What's the difference in the first place? 4, 8, 16, 32. Obviously it should be 64. Next 128. If it is 128, 261 is your wrong number. Is this clear? Second question. Before you try second question, there is one important point that is supposed to be observed in this question. What is that? Amma, you have to look at the left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side the first letter is A, right hand side also the first letter is A. Second letter B, second letter B. Ante kada? So always the first person is related to second person. Before I solve this question, what I suggest to you is, don't blindly solve from 1, 2, 3, 4. This type of questions I suggest you to solve from reverse. Or else even you can go from first. You can also go from first. Kani koncham teliviga behave cheyandi. Ikkada question enti? H is the grandson of P. H is the grandson of P and at any cost the gender of H should be plus. Avuna kada? Ippudu oka vishayam chepta jagrataga vinandi. H divided by M. Paiki ellu okkasari. H is the brother of M and H gender entidi? Male. H plus M, second of H plus K. H is the sister of K. Will I get answer from 2? Why? Because according to the question, H is the grandson of P and H should be male. Malla third option kellu. Malla H plus K. H is the sister of K. Third option is answer ostada? Radu. Fourth option, H into M. H is the father of M. Maybe. So your answer is maybe 1 or 4. Understood? Yes or no? So itla alochandi. Leda the best is start from reverse. Start from reverse. And this type of questions, most of the times the examiner will try to waste your time. What will the examiner try to do? Waste your time. So andikane most of the times option 3 or 4 will be your answer. Is this clear? Chalo. So manam okkasari 1 try cheddam. P plus K. P plus K ante? Next. K plus D. K is the sister of D. K is the sister of D. D into H. D is the father of H. H divided by. H is the brother of M. My question is on H being the grandson of P. Is it so? No. So obviously, will I try 4 now? No. No, no. Automatic answer into the 4. Ardhamainda leda. Unna 4 options lo manam 2 options ki cut short chestam. Chesin tarvata nenu 1 try chesta leda 4 try chesta. I'll try either 1 or 4. Luckily if I get answer from 1, then what is my answer? 1. Or else if I gone reverse, if I tried 4, I would have automatically got the answer from 4. Yes or no? If I had not got the answer from 4, then what would have been my option? Or at least option 1 is my answer. Whether you go from 1 and 4 or 4 and 1, anyway, we will try only one option. Avuna kada? Yes or no? This is what you should learn. This is what you should learn. This is how you should solve the questions. Whenever you see a question on blood relations which is based on these symbols, better follow the strategy that has been taught to you by me. Is this clear? Everyone? Let's go for question number 3. As I told you, there is a problem in this question. There is a problem in this question because some printing mistakes have crept in. Please make corrections. A total of 22 students participated in quiz only and extempore only. A total of 22 students participated in quiz only and extempore only. Next, 4 students participated in all the 3 competitions. A total of 14 students participated in 2 competitions only. A total of 14 students participated in 2 competitions only. Make a note of this. Is this clear? So clearly this is a question which is based on what? Venn diagrams. Total ఎంత అంటమ్మా 70 అంటే mu is equals to 70. ఇంకేమన్నాడు participate in 1 or more of the 3 competitions అంటే there is one participant in at least 1 game. So automatically none becomes 0. So this is quiz, extempore, debate. A, B, C, P, Q, R. This is X. Let's try to solve question. A total of 22 students participated in quiz only and extempore only. Quiz only and extempore only. What is quiz only? A. Extempore only? B. A plus B is equals to how much? 22. Next, 4 students participated in all the 3 competitions. For all the 3 ante X equals to 4. Next, a total of 14 participated in 2 competitions only. What is 2 competitions? P plus Q plus R equals to what? 14. Understood everyone? Now what is the question? How many students participated in debate only? And he is asking what is the value of C. Okay na? Mu is equals to A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R plus X. So if I add all the 3, what will I get? 40. So 70 minus 40 is equals to how much? 30. So how many participated in only C? In only debate? 30. Which option is my answer? Second option. Understood everyone? Yes or no? Because the formula for mu is A plus B plus C plus P plus Q plus R plus X plus N. I know what is P plus Q plus R, 14. I know what is X, 4. None is 0. అవునా కాదా? ఇందులో A plus B చేస్తే నాకు ఎంత వస్తుంది? 22 plus C plus ఇది mu ఎంత? 70. So C will automatically be equals to 40. Examination center ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇవన్నీ రాసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఫాస్ట్ చేసి మా ఆన్సర్ మార్క్ చేయండి. క్లియర్? 4th question. 62-33. What's the logic going on here? Almost half of 62 is 33. I can clearly say this is divided by 2 plus 2. Similarly, 112 divided by 2 is 56 plus 2 is 58. First option. Next, this question is on syllogisms. Some dancers are writers. All writers are students. First conclusion. Some students are dancers. Yes. Some students are writers. Yes. No student is a dancer. He says there is no relationship between student and dancer. But when I look at the diagram, there is relationship between student and dancer. This is wrong. What's your answer? 1 and 2 follows. Clear? 6th. This is a good question. Let us try to solve this question here. 4 letter clusters which have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the odd one from the cluster. What I'll try to do here is, I'll try to get the difference between the letters. What is the difference between V and Y, YB, BE? 22, 25 అంటే చెప్పండమ్మా ప్లస్ 3. V అంటే 22 కదా చెప్పాలే, ప్లస్ 3. Y and B ప్లస్ 3. B and E ప్లస్ 3. ఓకేనా? G and K 7, 11. G అంటే ఎంత? 7, 11 ప్లస్ 4. 11, 14. Come on. 14, 16 plus 2. 13 15 plus 2, 15 17 plus 2, 17 19 plus ఇదేమిటో JKLM. The difference between all the letters is consistent. It is same except. Clear? Next. Now this is a good question. I'll teach you what is this. DARK is what? BE darks kada, BEUTL. Ma, if you go in regular way, you won't get the answer, and I'm sure that you have tried that. Yes or no? What I'll try to do here is, I'll divide the question. Left side DEAB plus 1 plus 1 KLST plus R and U plus yes, and you being SSC students, you have to know the place values. Chinna pillalaga 4 1 18 11 19 20 12 ila రాయటాలు చేయకూడదు దయచేసి. That number should be in your mind. Why? Because by writing the place values, you are wasting your time. It is not the letter that you should see. You should see the place value. Is this clear? And I am supposed to go with the same thing here. Sharp SHARP. So this becomes STHI. And what about this? RSPQ. And what about the middle one? Plus 3. 1 plus 3 4. 4 is what? D. ITDQS. Third option. Done. Let's go for the next question. What's the answer for this? Examination, pass, audition, selection. 9. This clearly is based on what? Bodmer's rule. So let's try to solve this. 72B. What does B stand for? B stands for multiplication. 72 into 4. A stands for subtraction. Minus 16. B stands for multiplication. 55. A minus 44. C plus 84. Division divided by 4. So Bodmer's rule, you know. What am I supposed to do first? I have to solve what's there in the bracket, and when I solve what's there in the bracket, what will I get? 11. So this statement further can be written as 72 into 4 minus 16 into 11 plus 84 divided by 4. So done. We have removed the bracket, and you will do the answer in only one single step. Em cheyali? Division 21. 16 into 11 176. 72 into 4 288. So 288 minus 176. Ma, 288 minus 176. 112 plus 21. 133. Which option? Third option. Done? Yes. So make a note here. There is some correction that is supposed to be made here. S and M. This is S and M. Done? Write on the place values. You will get the answer. 1913. Come on, Chapandi. 1913 minus 6. 13 8 minus 5. 8 4 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 1. A. 1 minus 2. Ante 1 can be taken as 27. 27 minus 2 is 25. What is 25? Y. Done? Yes or no? Chalo, good. Just a small mistakes have crept in. Please make those corrections. So, arrange the following words in the order in which they would appear in English dictionary. The first two letters of every word is same. Avuna kada? Ari anni chotla same. So manam Ari pattukunte waste. We'll go with third letter A ante S. So A comes first. So REALIS వరకు సేమ్. అంతే కదమ్మా. MT which comes first? M అంటే 2 1. నెక్స్ట్ చూద్దాం RES TEU అంటే which comes E 2 1 4. ఎక్కడ 2 1 4 ఉందా? Yes or no? First option and also in fourth option. Obviously the next is, it should be either T or U. T ante 3. Done. So which option is my answer? First option. Any doubts? Now what about this question? This is also a good one. Into 7 plus 7. Into 7 plus 7. Next, go for the same thing again here. 38 into 7 plus 7. Into 7 plus 7. And this is not into 7 plus 7. Okay? Yes or no? Let's go for the next set here. 13. Letter series. Compare the first letters. E, F, G, H, I. How many options with I? 1 and 3. So, jagrata vinandi amma. Don't go for the second letters. Go for the last letter. You can go for last letter or you can go for third letter. T and W 20 23 plus 3. 23 26 plus 3. 26 plus 3 enta C. 3 kada. 26 plus 3 is 3 only. In letter series 29 is nothing but 3. So 3 plus 3 6. What is 6? F. So which option is my answer? First option. Camel. This is a good one. This is a good one. Please look at this. What are the place values of letters in camel? What's the place value of C? I'm going for camel. 3 plus 1 plus 13 plus 5 plus 12. If I add all these three, what will I get? 4 plus 13 17. 17 plus 5 22. I'll get what? 34. By adding all these three, I'll get 34. But I need 6 extra. Sare chuddam 6 extra ekkadi nundi iskostundo. Let's go for next one is what? Phone kada. Cheppandi amma. 16 plus 8 plus 15 plus 14 plus 5. 16 plus 8 24. 24 plus 15 39. 39 plus 14. Come on, 39 plus 14 53 plus 5 58. This is 58. But the value here is 78. The value here is 40. And extra I need how much? 20. Where will I get this 20 from? Where will I get this 6 from? Chappandama. This is nothing but the sum of the place values of vowels. A enta? A enta? E enta? 1 plus 5. O enta? E enta? 15 plus 5. Saripayinda leda? Yes or no? Now we'll go for medal. MEDAL. 13 5 4 1 12. Okay na? 13 plus 5 18. 18 plus 4 22. 23 35 plus 6. What's your answer? 41. Done. Sum of the place values plus sum of vowels. Copy it fast. We'll go for question number 16. We'll go for question number 16. Sir, 15. Question number 15. 15 is an extraordinary question. Very, very difficult to guess the logic. చాలా కష్టం. ఇప్పుడు మీరందరూ ఆశ్చర్యపోతారు, ఇట్లా కూడా క్వశ్చన్లు తయారవుతాయి సార్ అని. అయితే అప్పుడప్పుడు జాగ్రత్త చూడండి అమ్మా. Seven plus 7, 14, minus 5 plus 0 is 5. 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. And that 9 I get from the sum of the digits of 6 and 3. Rarest of the rarest logics. Very rare. And this is possible only with the third option. 9 plus 4, 13. 4 plus 3. 13 minus 7 is what? Chapandamma. 13 minus 7 is 6. Is this clear? ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి ఇలాంటివి వస్తూ ఉంటాయి, కొంచెం ఇబ్బందికరమైన క్వశ్చన్లే. డన్. See, but I'll tell you one thing, listen. Once you have come across this type of logic, I'm sure that next time whenever you see any question, this will also remind you of this logic. This question will also remind you of this logic. Maybe I'm supposed to go with this logic. This is what I say. The more and the more you practice, you can save more and more different types of logics in your buffer memory. Avuna kada? 16, come on. Gallon. Odd man out? Gallon. 17. Ethiopia is related to Africa. Ethiopia is a country in Africa continent. Brazil, South America. Now this I think is easy. Ma, whether you have to do row operation or column operation, it will depend upon the last number most of the times. The numbers which is in the corners. So 117 is number which is in the end of a row. So 6, 9, 117. Etla? 6 square plus 9 square is equal to 117. Atlage 17 square plus 23 square is equals to 818. Similarly 14 square plus 27 square is equals to how much? Amma? 925. Clear? Yes or no? కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త. మనలాంటి మేధావులు ఉంటారనే వాళ్ళు ట్రిక్ ఉపయోగించిరడం. 14 స్క్వేర్ అంటే లాస్ట్లో ఏమొస్తుంది? 6. యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇస్ 6 కదా. 27 స్క్వేర్ అంటే యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇస్ 9. 6 plus 9 is 5 in the units place. Every option is ending with 5. So they don't want you to get the answer in with shortcut. They want you to do the whole calculation. Yes. Now this is on what? This is mirror image. Where is the mirror placed? A mirror is placed on line MN. The mirror is placed on line MN. Whenever you are talking about mirror image, I'll tell you one thing, listen. Top remains top, bottom remains bottom. Only right left will change. So mirror image, చూడండమ్మా, ఇట్లా ఒక లైన్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తే I'll get something like this. Yes or no? చాలు, అదొక్కటి చూసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పొచ్చు. Third option. Done? I don't want to waste my time by looking at all others because the mirror is placed on line MN. Best kada? Chapali. 20, come on. What will I try to do? First I'll see whether it is row first or column first. What did he tell us? What did he tell us? represented by its row first and next by its column. So row first, column next. Please check that and then decide what is the answer. Beat 40. 40, is it B? 0 0, is it B? Yes. 31 3 1. Yes. 24 2 4. Yes. After B, will you go for E or will you go for T? T. Go for T. So beat. I'm done with B. I'll go with T now. 23 2 3, is it T? Yes. 23 is T. 4 1. No. ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది కదా. 41 అని ఉంది. 4th row ఫస్ట్ కాలం టీయా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు నేను దేనికి వెళ్ళాలి? ఈ 7th row 6th column. 7th row 6th column, is it E? Yes. 88. Yes. Now I'll go for A. 33 3 3, is it A? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Second option is my answer. Done? Everyone? 21. Now please tell me how many triangles are here? 3. So 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. What's my number? 9. Let me check how many are there inside. 1 2 3 4. One bigger circle, 5. 9 plus 5, 14. You also have another bigger circle, this one. What's your answer? Any other than this? No. Males, fathers, advocates. What's your answer? All fathers are males. Remember this point. All fathers are males. Advocate can be male as well as female. So obviously we'll go with this as advocate. Which option? First option. 23. 23. Look at these two mirror images, mirror images. Mirror image of this. Amma? Done? Yes? 24. 24, I see this will exactly fit in option 4. 25. Amma? Igo? Idun chusnava? You have only half punch here. What is the punch that is there? Half punch. When I flip this paper above, I'll get one full circle here. Yes or no? Chal, అయిపోయింది answer. అయిపోయింది answer. Which option? Second option. Done? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Because look at this. Here you have only half here. This is only half punch here. When you flip it to the other side, you'll get one full dot here. So that is there in only second option. And you will obviously get another dot here. Understood? So I hope you have understood this paper. Other than those two corrections, there are no more things that are supposed to be corrected. I hope you have all followed. Thank you.